Hi Steelers, this is Jo from JJ Finds and Designs. I am doing a exclusive box opening for Decor Steals tonight. It's storming outside. It's literally like 10:30 at night and all is calm in the house. And I received a box on my doorstep earlier, so I really want to open it. So while everybody is nestled in their bed, this is like Christmas morning for me, girls. I know you know the feeling, okay? So I got this big old box that I wanted to open. Ladies, OMG. This is huge. This is the reclaimed flooring. You know, you keep seeing it being available and posted for $39.99. I did not realize the pictures do not do its justice. Oh, this sucker is gorgeous. Definitely reclaimed wood. It seems as if it's attached. It's very thick and it's attached to like a backer board. I am using this, oh my gosh, I cannot even wait to show you how I use this, how I style this. This is beautiful. Let's see if we can get a close-up on how gorgeous this wood is. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't even wait to show you how I'm going to style this in my house. Stay tuned. Until then, hope you enjoyed my box opening tonight. Talk to y'all soon.